In front of a window and using a Logitech C920 webcam so that you can see what it's like. I'm going to compare that to my computer webcam. So this is a Logitech webcam. It's actually quite bright. Because I'm in front of a window, it's pulling in a whole bunch of light and it's making me quite bright. So this would be a really great webcam for when I head into the yoga studio where there's not a lot of windows and it's going to pull in light that I didn't have. So you're going to see that compared to my FaceTime camera. So my camera from my computer looks actually pretty good. It does a really good job when I'm in front of a window, of course, because the lighting is really great here. But it's not so great when I'm in the yoga studio where there's no natural light. So lighting is a thing that you might be concerned about. The best thing you could do is to, if you have natural lighting, be in front of a window. You want light facing on you, not behind you. So if I were to turn this around, let's just do that quick, and try to teach from right here with the window behind me, you cannot see me. Even if I were to change my webcam, let's try this. Maybe you can. We'll see what it does. Oh, it kind of picks me up, but it's still like not so great. So having light source behind you, not so good. We turn back to the light source in front of me and the fact that I have my background, which is a good distance behind me, also a great tip. To have your background back there, maybe even a little bit fuzzy, depends on your camera, so that there's some depth there. So this again is back to my webcam, and I use it when I teach classes when I don't have a lot of natural light. When I've got too much natural light, I might just use my regular camera from my computer, and this works just fine. So if you're a yoga teacher, the people that I'm helping mostly on my channel, and you are asking which camera you need, which microphone that you need, use what you have. If you've got some natural lighting, use a window in front of you. You also can get very inexpensive clamp floodlights from like Home Depot or Lowe's or Menards, depending where you are. So you can get floodlights that you can clamp on. That's going to be a lot more cost effective than a whole light kit from Amazon, but that's an option too. And if you are ready to invest in a little bit more, this Logitech webcam is like $50, $60, or $70. I can't remember. It's between $50 and $70. My microphone that I'm using, this one, is one that I only use when I'm in front of a camera like this. Otherwise, I use my wireless Go microphone. And I actually think that using AirPods, little headphone things, is a little bit better because you can use, they're multifunctional and they're Bluetooth. This one I had to get multiple cords for, and they cost about the same. This was $200 plus the additional cords I needed, so about $225, but then there's tax. So let's say about $250 for this one. So I don't recommend just going out and spending a bunch of money, but using what you have until you know you need something different, or until you've made some money in order to earn enough to invest a little bit more in your business. If it's something that's important to you, go get it. So this is a Logitech webcam, and this is my computer again. Hey! And so not bad, just you gotta realize the lighting. And now I've gotta go teach a yoga class.